In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task reminder notifications in Outlook. If you use Outlook to keep track of your tasks, setting reminders is a simple way to make sure important items don't get missed. A reminder can help you stay on top of deadlines, follow-ups, or anything else you want Outlook to bring back to your attention at the right time. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can repeat it anytime you need. To begin, go to the To-Do section in Outlook. This is where your tasks are organized, and it's the area you'll use to manage reminders. Once you're there, take a moment to find the specific task you want to be reminded about. It helps to make sure you've selected the correct item before changing any settings. Next, move your cursor over the task and click the Open Details icon. When you hover over a task, Outlook reveals additional options, and the Details view gives you access to more settings for that individual task. This is where you can adjust things like reminder preferences and other task-related information. Opening the task details makes it easier to customize exactly how you want Outlook to handle that item. After the details panel opens, click on Remind Me. This option is what allows Outlook to send you a notification for the task. If you don't set a reminder, the task will still be saved in your list, but Outlook won't actively notify you about it. Using the reminder feature is especially useful for tasks that are time-sensitive or easy to forget. Then click on Pick a Date and Time and choose the reminder schedule you want. This is the step where you decide exactly when Outlook should notify you. Choose a date and time that gives you enough notice to act on the task comfortably. For example, you might set the reminder well before a deadline if the task requires preparation, or closer to the due time if it's a quick action item. Once you've selected the date and time, the reminder is set for that task. From then on, Outlook will notify you according to the schedule you chose. If your plans change later, you can always return to the task details and update the reminder. That's all it takes to set task reminder notifications in Outlook. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference in staying organized and making sure nothing slips through the cracks.